Hey guys, I hope everything is going well on your side, and once again I'm back with a fresh strategy for making money online. Today is special because I'm about to show you a cool way of making money on the couch without paying a cent as a beginner to pay for most of your bills while you spend time with the people you love. So in this video I'm gonna show you the apps that will do the work for you, and all you need to do is set them up properly so they can start running, and you can earn about $200 per day in total when you use them right by following all the prompts I'll be giving out. Just get a pen and a pad to jot them down, and I promise you things will work out just fine. And don't worry about where you are as we speak, because this method is meant for every zip code in the world, so you better get your laptop ready, or it can be your phone. Just make sure it has internet connection so you can start rolling in this $3. Something you need to be careful of though is skipping some parts of the video. I strongly advise you not to do that, because you'll miss out on some crucial steps that will result in jumping up the process and therefore leaving some money on the table. And again, if you're new to the channel and you want to make money online, now is the time to subscribe, because this channel only focuses on new and easy ways of making a whole lot of money online while you relax at home. So without further ado, I'm the Make Money Online strategist. Let's not waste time, let's make some cash. So the first app is none other than AdWallet.com. So here on this website, they totally depend on ads to make money, and as you know, most of the times to make money you gotta spend some. So that's where we come in. So to earn money as a visitor, you need to watch ads, and AdWallet will gladly pay you for doing that. You can watch an ad on AdWallet in two ways. So to start, go to their website and sign up for a free account, and once you are logged in, whenever an ad is available, AdWallet will send you a text with the link to watch an ad, and all you are gonna do is you're gonna click on that link and watch the advertisement, and after that you are going to answer a few questions that will take just a few minutes, and they do that because they want to make sure you are paying attention. Once you have completed the questions, you will get paid. Now if the ad asks you to do other things like sharing it on your personal social media accounts like Instagram stories, Facebook and so on, just do exactly that, because you'll get paid even more. Another way you can make money is through referrals. Simply share the link that forwards them to the AdWallet website. The link is available on their referral program, so you'll copy that link and share it with someone who wants to make money as well. And in the background, you will get paid. Their minimum cash out is as little as $10, and you can either withdraw it using a direct bank transfer, or you could switch it to Amazon gift cards. So the next app is Cash Karma. This app is available on both Android and iOS devices. This is a smartphone app that allows you to earn points for answering surveys and for participating in their online tests. Cash Karma is credible since it boasts of more than 1 million downloads and is rated with 4 stars out of a possible 5. So that on its own means there are no gimmicks or whatsoever. So here you can earn money by earning points through taking surveys, signing up for offers, viewing videos, earning location rewards and referrals too. So if your friends download the app, that's money in your pocket. So the Cash Karma app is available on both Android and iOS devices, and most importantly, it's free to download. So once you have downloaded the app, sign up for a new account by providing your email and come up with a password. And if you are using iOS, you will need to enable something called tracking info for fraud prevention into Track Rewards, just to make sure that the app is legit. And once you log in, you'll be rewarded with 300 points free of charge. Surveys are available on the home screen, and most surveys take about 2 minutes to complete, and they award up to 200 points. Promotions can also earn you points, usually about 300 or more, and they usually consist of longer surveys than usual. Cash Karma also has reward levels, which enables the most consistent users to access high points benefits, so it only makes sense that if you want to up your level, you need to use the app on a daily basis. You can convert your points into PayPal money or gift cards, and their minimum for withdrawing is as little as $10, which is probably around 13,000 Karma points. So if you are enjoying this video, please hit the like button, and don't be shy to leave a comment if you have a problem. Now the next app is Money SMS. This is an exclusive app you can use to make money. This app right here enables you to make money by just receiving text messages on your phone. All you do is provide your info and just get text and make money. So what you need to do is download the app from their website by clicking on the sign up button at the top, and it will automatically download the app, and then you'll have to install it. So once you have downloaded the APK file, Money SMS will lead you to signing up. Once you've been signed up, you will start receiving text from your phone. You don't have to read the text because what Money SMS does is test cellular connections, which is why they want you to receive the text messages. This is very simple because all you need to do is visit the website, register, and start making money. You can cash out your money through PayPal, and their minimum cash out is as little as $2. Now the next app is GetPaid2. On this website, you can join and register for a free account. You can only click on the join free button, and there you will get to type your info, including your name, password, birthday, and country. And the good news is that this website is available everywhere in the world. All you need to do is fill up the CAPTCHA, and once you have an account, you'll notice that there are a lot of games to choose from. And for each game, you'll make about $2 to $3 per game. And some games pay even more, so feel free to play any of the games provided. You can also make money by partaking in surveys, and there are many surveys you could do. Now you can convert your points into cash by using PayPal or Skrill, or just take it as an Amazon gift card. The points required to redeem a reward will depend on the reward you choose. So now what's left for you is to go download any of these apps I showed you and participate in every avenue. You will be able to hit above $150 in just a single day, and feel free to check out other videos from the channel if you are looking for more ways to make money online. So that's it for today. I hope to see you in some of my next videos. Thanks for watching.